Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is an intraday for Bitcoin to see what happened and what it might happen next. So basically we are looking for higher prices as expected for Bitcoin as an A, B and a C here, at least to unfold for the one-to-one fib level 78k. I would say this would be the ideal target. The at least target is of course the 72k 800, like the uncommon target 0.618, of course, by taking the high. So we gotta be careful also with this potential scenario. Of course, it can be a shorter wave C here, finishing a wave 4. Don't forget that we might still have some potential pressure and that we might be in a 1, 2, 3 and then wave 4 and a 5 here. Preferably, of course, to take the invalidation also for the double 1, 2 here, because we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then wave 4 can be a possibility, this magenta scenario, which it can be, of course, the invalidation at 74k. I prefer, of course, to invalidate those double 1, 2, at least consider this as only one impulse as a wave C so far as ABC. But, of course, don't forget that it can be a 1, 2, and then wave 3 here, and you might still, of course, having a wave 4 at the 1-to-1 fib level as well, which it can be, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So, of course, two impulses still, because the bear market was very strong and still might have some impact. So be careful. Of course, we're not yet totally bullish here, despite that the deep analysis, of course, shows some potential for new all-time high. Okay, it's a possibility, of course, but we're not moon bullish there, but it's just a possibility, of course, in case of we push really high in an expanding flat wave V. But for that time, of course, we still need a lot of confirmations here. We need to break this level first and even this one, and then, of course, getting invalidation. And then, okay, we can call that all-time high potential scenario. But currently, of course, also be careful from a possibility of a zigzag. Can be also if this is an ABC here, zigzag, having a wave B there, and also another zigzag here without taking the high. But I doubt it. I doubt this because, of course, also WXNOY is not a potential wave B of a zigzag. It has to be of a triangle. It has to be a zigzag there, and we didn't have it. Yeah, so it is very likely still to unfold here a wave C as a flat or as a zigzag as well, with a short wave C also possible. We'll see what's gonna be the reaction there. Now on the 15-minute chart, of course, we have a leading diagonal 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and this wave 4 is still unfolding, of course, for something for higher. So I would say, yeah, if we want to have a confluence here between this target and a wave 5 over there, we can get, of course, yeah, that's why I'm saying be careful. It can be, of course, the short wave C here, because we have some confluence here as well within this target. Yeah, in double targets here, and the short wave C that it might unfold. Yeah, so we gotta be careful. We'll see the reaction first in this area. If Bitcoin shows some strength still to push for higher, well, it can be. And don't forget, even in case that this is a 1, 2, you need another 1, 2 anyway, and then wave 3, 4, and 5 in case we are bullish. So we're gonna estimate a 3 waves from there. Correction as a wave 2. In case this happened, then of course we call something as a wave 3. Currently, I'm still seeing, of course, higher prices to unfold towards the 72k $800 for a Bitcoin. Yep, so this is the intraday update for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.